Ya tamniba ko ba anga English agana ni ko practice kana singa beben ang ni agana ni mistake rang banga agana name take strong e manjani man na practice ka inga ni man ang ni practice ka niyo nasimang ya kon take takpo kon take akan bo ni mung comments to akan phabo Hello, good evening, everyone. Tonight I am talking about my confidence, public speaking, so that English speaking practice. Right now, I can work, I can do, I can talk, I can speak, I can motivate everything when we are my life. That's all my confidence. So that my English practice. Thank you.